Okay. Lady and gentlemen, the day has finally arrived when I can rehab and do some light auto detailing on my car because I finally got the transmission redone. Everyone thought I was clinically insane. Even I thought I was insane. It cost me so much, I almost drove it directly into a junkyard. But thankfully I didn't. So off a cliff or into a junkyard. I tried looking for a new car, but everything's so expensive right now. And people said like, oh, find a used Honda or a Toyota. I actually tried that, and the only one available within my price range was like in Illinois in the middle of a swamp, and you have to like come get it. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with the used car market, but it justified me fixing the transmission, and now it's a whole new car. Except for this terrible, awful, like, the birds have been conspiring against me. And I swear they just love to shit on black cars. So I'm going to repaint it today. I know that I could probably go online and find a hood for not that much money or get an auto detailing place to do it. But anyone who knows me or knows this channel knows that I like to do things the hard way. So we're going to do it that way and DIY this shit. And if it doesn't work, it'll at least be funny. So yeah, let's go into Lowe's and find some goodies to fix this up. So this is my grocery list. I copied it from some DIY video from this crazy Irish guy. We need 2 different types of sandpaper. We need black spray paint, the heavy duty gloss spray, and some primer. I'm going to get one that's a completely different color so that we can check our work and see if we sanded it properly. So let's go. Yeah. Might have to ask for help. Gosh. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice. I don't know how worth it Pull and Save is, though. Like, aren't there a lot of places online where you can buy parts pretty cheap? Okay, so there's no going back now, and I figure I can't make it worse. So I'm just gonna try. Oh my gosh. This is so terrible. I feel like most of it's just bird shit that's staying there and it's just swirling around at this point. It's not what I wanted to do. It's crazy how fast it just turns white. Right. Bird shit white. I think I'm making good time on it. I kind of feel like 200 would have been fine with how terrible it is. But, you know, I'm just following the tutorial. Might be good enough for me soon to do that. They're still driving to death. Getting white shit on my black dress now. I'm really happy right now because I can imagine how it's gonna go, but I'm sad at the same time. Shit, how many people are coming here? iPad time. Okay. Is this? Oh. I need to tape this down. This is not an even coat. It's really not a... I thought it would be like a heavier stream instead of just a very confined one. But, you know, if it barely can spray paint mine at a close range, imagine what it can do to a car 10 feet away. It's the wind. If I can use the wind to my advantage, instead of fighting it, now it's kind of coming in. Yeah, one of them, the clear one has that, I think. It doesn't look worse. Whoa. Yeah, that's... Woo! That's not the direction I wanted to be. I'm painting a hood out in the desert tomorrow. I'm from the hood, the desert hood. Repainting my hood. And this hood. Oh shit, don't land on that, you bitch. You know, if I squint my eyes, it looks like it's painted, but I know it's got like a weird marble galaxy look to it. More paint. Need some coats. Not bad. Alright, I'm gonna do a light coat to see how we're doing. Oh, this is much better than the primer. Ah, how do I do this? Yeah, they didn't last long, did it?
No, it did not. Chicks got like pistols and realized that it could train them right.
Ah, shit, that is... that is how much we need. That looks better. I could be a graffitist. Oh. The bugs are trying to get high off this paint. They're like, I don't know what this is, but I feel fantastic. Inspecting my work. Yeah, I for sure was not doing it right, but for that, I think it's turning out well. Fuck it. It's gloss time. Okay, I hope this works. Hey, that's kind of cool. Alright. So this is what I did, and I don't know what went wrong, but it looks better than it did, so I guess it's a success. I think I blame the cans of paint because obviously it's not my fault, it's the paint's fault for buckling up and has all these weird beads to it. And I think that's because they don't really sell regular paint that's not a primer. So I mistakenly bought the primer. So I add like 2 coats of primer and then tried to add gloss to it, and it's just not enough. But we'll see how durable it is. Subscribe for more DIY car repair videos, I guess, detailing. See you guys later. I mean, it's better than it was, but that's not a very high bar, was it? It was not. Yeah, it is what it is. See you later.